Have you ever wondered how the structural integrity of bridges, pressure vessels, or massive steel pipelines is guaranteed? The answer lies in welding quality, and that's where ISO 3834 comes in. ISO 3834 is an international standard that defines the quality requirements for fusion welding of metallic materials, both in the workshop and on site. It's not just about welding, it's about doing it right, first time, every time, from planning, qualified procedures, and competent personnel, to inspections and final documentation. ISO 3834 covers qualified welding documentation, welder performance qualifications, inspection and testing, including managing welding-related equipment, control of welding consumables, quality documentation. There are 3 levels of ISO 3834. Part 2, Comprehensive Quality Requirements. Part 3, Standard Quality Requirements. Part 4, Basic Quality Requirements, each suited to different welding complexity and risk levels. For companies, ISO 3834 certification means having controlled welding processes, improved product reliability, and confidence from clients and regulators. JCA offers SANAS-accredited ISO 3834 certification, verifying that your systems meet international welding quality expectations. In addition, your company will be published on the IAF Cert Search, which means global recognition for your business. Whether you're building ships, boilers, or structural steel, ISO 3834 is the gold standard for welding quality. Because when safety, performance, and reputation are on the line, quality welding matters.